Look what just arrived. I can't wait another minute. Let's dive in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's take a moment to look and appreciate the box, the packaging, you guys. Hirono fights for joy. Lang is just, he gets us. He gets us. Oh my gosh. Look. It's a total package. How cute, Hirono. Oh my gosh. Whew. Let's do this. There is a tear strip here, but I wanted to preserve the box, so I'm gonna find another way. I'm gonna just cut through in here, so hopefully we won't damage the box because this is just way too cool. Okay, finally! After 48 hours, I finally succeeded! Let's see. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There he is, our baby. Oh my. And there he is. Oh my gosh. He's so precious. I'm sorry, you guys. I think I didn't say anything. Like, it's just sounds. But look at him. Let me give you a close-up so I can be useful for you. Yep, Lang did it again. Didn't disappoint. Oh my gosh, this is very, very high quality and so precious. The texture of the bear is also different. You can see that there's a lot of thoughtful process that went to this for the design, the materials, and everything else. And the overall corduroy, oh my gosh, look at this like aged brass kind of buttons right here. The stitchings, very well thought of. Oh, you can move the foot. Oh my gosh, this is posable. I didn't know that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look. And this fight for joy, this is made of cloth as well. And there's Hirono logo. So cute. Oh my gosh. 0427, I think that's Hirono's birthday, April 27th. And it says living wild. And there's another patch stitching in the back. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look at the bear. Oh my gosh, this is so precious. And the torch, translucent, glassy material, but it's not glass. I love it. I hope they come up with another one, with another design soon, but oh my gosh. I don't know what else to say, but oh my gosh. I just noticed that there's a hoop in here or a loop where you can put pendants and hang it in your purse. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't risk it getting dirty or worse, even stolen. So, but if you want, you can do so, definitely. I'm so lucky to be able to get my hands on this plush Hirono. I'm so glad this is not China limited. And I don't think it's a limited edition, so they probably would produce again soon. So if you haven't had the chance to get this, don't lose hope. And oh my gosh, trust me, it's worth the wait. When they restock, be there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye! I'm so happy!